Yo, I wasn't about to go in but like. Now I feel like I have to, you know? I mean, I feel kinda bad but like, bow it, haha. Alright, yeah. I can tell that you strafed with the Stimpy flow, ain't nobody ever ran from your trash armor, got a sword that remind me of my iron one from normal, when I see it, I'm like easy bro. Yeah, Hypixel called asking me if we could win against hackers, what? I said, we wreck M like the pros with the gaps on M. I just saw your skin, huge noob, now I hate ya. Huge noob, that will be your last hit like a bow shot. Nah, wrong bow, yet it's flame. Like from Princess. Get swords, but the admin said you x-rayed for it. Me and pros got a chest with like 8 swords. Camp on a Skywars map, you're a noob for a pro's sword. You got skills. Where they at? Are you serious? Didn't see M, like noob, I'm just curious, Everyone said you drop fast, like the Furious. Distracts, you are my reflection like a mirror is, yeah. Wanna bridge up my base, I put some ice on it. I'ma make her dead, then put some rice on it. Talk shrimp, now I'm on your head like some fly hackers. Heard that you used to grief some kids on small servers, oh. Second part for the kill, that's what I do, oh. Kill it twice, this ain't Mineplex, I don't like you. Gotta put the skill in this beef like some pro noobs. You ain't got armor bars, no defense like a base do, shrimp. Rented perks and the ranked kids looking fake too. Let's go back to the griefing thing. Listen here. Was it back on Hypixel or a small server? What? Didn't think you'd get banned like a hacking noob head. Grief on others just to hide that you were bad at fights. How you think they felt when they logged out and they were dripping tears? You cheated on a good game, QB crap's hideous. And then you went and got a big head like you Herobrine. It's everyday bro with the same griefer flow. Griefing at school, now griefing on your bro. Kill your own brother, I don't really get it though. Stop camping, just accept nobody knows your Minecraft show. It's everyday bro with the same griefer flow, what? Griefing at school, now griefing on your bro. Wreck your own brother, I don't really get it though, yeah. Stop camping, just accept nobody knows your Minecraft show, BOI. Should've never cheated now, never cheated now. Got skill from your client now, from your client now. And it's a better player now, better player now. Now I'm on to bigger noobs now. Should've never cheated now, never cheated now. Now, I'm camping on your base now, on your base now. You used to be a noob and you still a noob now, what? They gon' call me huge pro cause I'm so pro now, what?